potato leek and thyme frittata. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. Remove the greens from the leeks. Slice the whites of the leeks very finely. Slice 2 potatoes into very thin rounds. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Roughly chop 1 handful of parsley. Remove the leaves from 8 sprigs of thyme. Heat a pan and add half a cup of water. Add the sliced leeks and the chopped garlic and saute until soft. Place 500 grams of silken tofu, 1 cup of nutritional yeast and 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder into a food processor. Process until smooth and creamy. Add 1/4 cup of water if needed. Add salt and pepper to taste, then place in a large bowl. Add the sliced potatoes, parsley, thyme leaves, and the sautéed leeks and garlic to the tofu mixture and combine well. Place a sheet of baking paper into a baking dish. Pour the tofu vegetable mixture into the dish. Place in the oven and bake for 45 minutes to an hour until thoroughly cooked through. Remove from the oven, top with baby arugula and place in the center of the table. Then cut and serve.